Hello everybody, welcome at Balloon Stuff Explanations 101. Today we're going to talk about the circle of satisfaction. Do you ever struggle as a balloon professional with clients asking for a discount? Or how to handle questions for charity events? Or pricing something for friends you know they can't afford it? How to price your work is often more complicated than calculating your direct costs, your overhead and your profit. There are many exceptions which makes us decide to end up with a different price. So let's have a deeper look at why we choose what we do. In the end, the goal is that we're 100% satisfied with the work we do and the reward we got for it. We call this the circle of satisfaction. There are 5 main reasons why we do what we do, get 100% satisfied in the end. The value of money. The first reason we work is to earn money so we can survive and feed our family. Maybe you have to do the most boring job, just inflating 10,000 balloons. But if someone is giving you $20,000 to do it, most decorators would feel 100% satisfied to do the job. But reality is, those jobs don't always come around. Luckily, there are more things in life with a real value for all those jobs without a big budget. The value of advertisement. Maybe you get a request to create a decoration at a big fundraiser with a lot of media exposure or potential clients. Every company has to spend a lot of money on advertisement. So if you get an opportunity to promote your work, that's a real value. Ask if there are professional photographs or videos being made and make a clear deal that you want to receive the material for your own portfolio. Professional promotional material always has a great value, but don't forget to take good pictures yourself. But stay realistic. Don't believe the mountains of gold they promise you because you will get so many new clients. The catering and sound and light company at the event are also paid and get the same promotion. Make clear arrangements about how they are promoting you and if they publish your name, but don't expect the world from it. The minimum you can ask is to cover your expenses. The value of education. So for each project, to cover your risks as a company, you should at least ask for your direct costs to cover your expenses. You can always ask someone or make pictures yourself, and people will see your work, so there's always a little advertisement value. But if that's all there is, your circle of satisfaction is not full yet. But some jobs are great to practice or try something new. This is the value of education. So if a client without any budget is asking you to make, for instance, an arch, offer something different, something you haven't made before. It's a great way to practice new designs. Don't forget to follow education, go to a university or follow online classes or buy educational material. People spend a lot of money. Education has a real value. If they cover your expenses, you can practice for free without losing any money, and afterwards you can take pictures so you have a new design for your portfolio. The value of fun. Maybe you get the chance to help out a colleague and work on a big project. You know there isn't a great budget, but it's a big project, so it has some advertisement value too. And you always learn something when you work with others. But still, your circle of satisfaction is not full. But some projects are just a lot of fun. And you feel 100% satisfied in the end. Decorating a party is great, but if you can decorate it with friends, that's even greater. Especially when it's at a memorable event and you get the opportunity to stay for the party and have a good time together. Or it's at a unique location you always wanted to visit. People pay to have fun, to go to see a show, meet friends at the balloon convention, attend a party or rent a movie. Fun has a value. So always try to make your work as much fun as you can. Play music when you work, laugh, chat, and take time to enjoy each other's company. Don't take your work too serious. Remember, we are working in the party industry. How sad would it be if we don't enjoy it ourselves? The value of giving. Sometimes you will get a request that just touches your heart. A project or event which you know will make a difference, or it's something you really believe in. If you get the chance to do something remarkable and give some happiness and meaningful, never pass on the opportunity. The highest reward is the one of gratitude. To share your talent and give freely will bring you the biggest satisfaction. Because some things in life are just priceless. So the next time you get a request and you know the budget is limited, think about the circle of satisfaction. Do they have money to cover my expenses? Is there promotional opportunity? What can I offer which helps me to learn and grow? How can I get the most fun out of it? And is there an opportunity to do something really meaningful? Before you know it, your circle of satisfaction is more than full. And that's what we call balloon passion. Thank you for watching Balloon Stuff Explanations 101. See you next time.